In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Brave browser. This process is simple and can be done in just a few steps, so let's dive right in. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. Make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the newest features and security patches. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. Simply locate the Brave icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to open it. Now, with Brave open and ready, let's move on to the next step. Next up, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three horizontal lines, which represent the menu icon. Click on this menu icon. This is like the gateway to all the settings and configurations you can adjust in Brave. By familiarizing yourself with this menu, you can easily navigate through various options later on. Once you've clicked the menu icon, you'll see a drop-down list appear. From this drop-down list, select the option labeled Settings. This option is where you can customize almost everything about your browser. Selecting Settings will open a new tab where you can see a variety of categories on the left-hand sidebar. Take a moment to explore these options if you're curious. But for now, let's focus on changing the language. Now look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the option that says Languages. This section is specifically dedicated to managing the language preferences of your browser. It's important to choose the correct language as it will directly affect how information is displayed and understood. Once you've clicked Languages, you'll see a new section open up to the right. In this section, you'll find a part called Preferred Languages. Under this section, there's a button labeled Add Languages. Click this button to proceed. This is where you begin the process of introducing a new language to your browser. A list will appear, allowing you to search for your preferred language. Type in the name of the language you're looking for, and once you find it, check the box next to it. After checking the box, click the Add button. By doing so, you're telling Brave that you want this language to be one of your options. This step is crucial as it sets up the language for use in the browser. With the new language added, you'll notice three vertical dots next to it. Click on these dots to open a small menu. These dots give you more options related to the specific language you've just added. It's a handy way to manage each language individually. From this menu, check the box that says Display Brave in this language. This action sets your newly added language as the primary language for your browser interface. It's an important step because it changes all the menu items and options to your selected language. Doing this ensures that your browsing experience is tailored to your preferred language. Finally, you'll see a relaunch button appear next to the language. Click this button to restart Brave. Restarting is essential because it applies the changes you've just made. Once Brave relaunches, you'll see everything displayed in your chosen language. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Brave browser. Feel free to repeat these steps if you need to switch languages again in the future. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.